So guys, this is what the floor is looking like right now. I can see there's a difference, even though I still have some concrete here, even here as well, but I know with time this one is not even going to come out. It's scrubbing and brushing. You can see it's usually coming out, so I feel the more water that gets into the floor, these things are going to come out. You can still get the acidifier blocking out. I'll definitely use it because I really don't like it staying on my floor. So this is how this is. I think I need to get something to eat now. Exhausted girl, like even from my face, you know that. Oh Jesus, I'm so tired. Just going to open this bag and guys, I'm just going to change and take a quick shower and make something to eat. I'll probably be making noodles, yes, because I need something very quick. I'm very hungry, I'm exhausted. You can even hear it from my voice. I'm tired. I just need to eat and I'll probably sleep. So guys, I'm back and this is the two items. I'm just going to quickly unbox it without too much talking. I'm still using my broken one. So this is the first item. This is the ordinary niacinamide, 10% plus zinc, 1%. Well, I don't know if I'm correct with the spelling, but you can see it here. And this is the second one. Oh, guys, like, if you know, this is the second one. The second one is the CeraVe moisturizer lotion. Guys, I've always wanted to get this for a very long time now. Like, I'm so happy I got it. So right now my skincare product is complete. So I got this simple smoothing facial scrub. After I got this from Jumia, and I can see everything here is complete, like you guys can see. Yep. Now guys, see you later.
The next day. A few inches later.